Hey everyone, today's recipe is Oats Cheela. Please subscribe to our channel if you're new here. The ingredients are 3/4 cup oats, half cup curd, a glass of water, a chopped chili, 1 chopped onion, 1 chopped capsicum, 1 chopped tomato, coriander leaves, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. Let's start cooking. Take a mixing bowl, add oats to it, then add all the chopped vegetables, onion, capsicum, tomato, green chili, now add curd to it, coriander leaves, and mix these well. Pour a few drops of water and mix. Make a batter that is not very thick or thin. Now add all the dry masalas, turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, chili powder and mix it well. Pour a little more water if required. And keep this mixture aside for around 10 minutes. Now take a flat pan, pour a few drops of ghee or oil on it. Now spread the mixture gently. Cover it and let it cook for a minute. When cooked, flip it and let it cook on the other side as well. Cook until it becomes golden brown and serve it hot. It can be served with a chutney or a sauce. Our cheelas are ready. Thanks for watching the video. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the updates from our channel. Thank you.